Well, hello everybody, welcome back to Life Disney and Beyond, and if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're up to date with what's going on here at Disneyland all the time. Today, we're back at Disneyland.
Yes,
Why are we back at Disneyland?
Well, first of all, we come all the time anyway.
That's true.
But we are so excited because we are less than a week away from Halloween officially starting here at Disneyland. There's tons of new decorations. We're gonna go through it with a fine-tooth comb and enjoy it because that's what we like to do.
Yeah, it's not complete yet.
Yeah, but with that being said, we're gonna go take a big look around and have a fun Saturday. And the fun begins with bunting. Here we are with an almost completely decked out Main Street. What do you think of Main Street?
It's looking pretty good. I mean, we're still missing the big Mickey pumpkin.
Yes, we are.
That's about it. Everything else is kind of in place as far as you can see from here. You know.
Yes, yes. Well, also, I can see from here, we don't have the little jack-o'-lanterns up in the windows yet either.
Oh, yeah.
But that's okay.
There's some in the bottom windows though, I think, right?
Did you take a sneak peek already?
Yeah, I had to go get a coffee over there.
So you're a cheater pumpkin eater.
Yeah.
All right, well, let's get down there and go enjoy some Halloween bunting.
All right, Main Street vehicles all queuing up.
Oh, yeah.
Here comes the fire truck. This is Walt's. This was Walt's favorite vehicle right there. And the car honking his horn, trying to get some people to jump on there. Maybe we should jump on the horse and carriage and go check out all the current decorations that are happening.
Like, say no more.
Yeah. All right, we're being escorted by our friend Brother. He's going to take us down Main Street. Look at the train station before we leave this area. The bunting really sets the tone here at Town Square when you see it on the train station. I love that. Opera House, bunting. And there's Mickey Mouse. Morning, Mickey! Oh, yeah. And look how great Main Street looks. Movie theater. Ah, even the old porch decorated for Halloween. All right, arrived at the castle. Looking good today. A little overcast, but still perfect for photos. All right, walking back down Main Street.
That was a fun ride, I must say. But now we must go back to enjoy all of the Halloween stuff. Oh, look over there, Photoshop. I've spotted a pumpkin. Oh my gosh, if that's not Halloween in a photo up there, I don't know what is.
Scary.
That is terrifying. She looks horrified.
Yeah.
All right, let's go see if Candy, oh, they do, Candy Palace. There she is.
Oh yeah, I see skulls.
Oh, hi Jack. And we can get those here. Ooh, look at all this. Coconut puff, gumdrops, rock candy. And then ribbon candy that's Halloween themed. Oh, even the little dish towels. I didn't notice those were...
Oh yeah, orange and black.
Yeah. See what they're making over here in Candy Palace in the...
Fudge mallows.
What's a fudge mallow?
I'm thinking it's a marshmallow dipped in fudge.
Oh, those are nuts. I was like, well, what could those
With nuts
be?
on top. Yeah.
I don't want nuts on that.
I know, I would like it just dipped in chocolate would be just
with
fine.
Fudge and mallow?
Yeah.
Man, that sounds really good. Let's see. Alright, so the Candy Palace is also decorated on the inside on top of all the candy shelves up there.
Yeah, look at this.
I love the little black crow, too.
Yeah, it's good detailing. And check out this really cool centerpiece. The Ferris wheel that's always here has been decorated in Halloweenness. And of course, the crows. Look at this skeleton crow. Very scary.
I love that the Ferris wheel is all snacks. It's a snack Ferris wheel.
Yeah.
That's the best part right there, I'm not gonna lie. This is always my favorite window, is the Gibson Girl. They do it for every holiday. There's the old Gibson Girl sign with the fall on top of it. Okay, now this is the best part, is that every little detail, they change the color of the tablecloth, the whole thing, the seat covers.
Is he like a little jester? Pumpkin jester guy?
He's a magic wand pumpkin jester.
Yeah.
But every little thing, they change out the ice cream, the treats, the
Oh yeah,
cups.
look at the witches on the cups and those little treats right there.
And the ice cream flavor for this season is going to be double chocolate, which I completely approve of. The sprinkles look fantastic.
Yeah, and look at those napkins. Very decorative.
Like I said, every little detail, even the gloves are orange to match the hat. It's a whole complete Halloween look right here.
More witches down there in the basket.
It's like a goodie basket almost.
Yeah.
Oh, do you see how the pumpkin made a little ice cream? They made ice cream because it's Gibson Girl ice cream, so they made it with pumpkins.
I like that.
A double scoop of gourd.
It's a brilliant idea.
Like I said, the whole thing looks awesome because they change out the tablecloth, the chair. It's just probably my favorite window ever. So this little alleyway outside of Market House Starbucks is completely decked out. This is like the best little fall area. All the pumpkins and leaves. I mean, in every window you have something fall. Oh, there's our little pumpkins. Pumpkins with the cranberries. And here's the best part right here. Look how pretty this is. So you can come and drink your coffee. Look at all the flowers. And they're just the prettiest fall colors. It's just gorgeous. Love this. And then if you look up, a splash of orange. It's just perfect. Look at our little cow. What do you think of all the fall decor, little cow? Little cow?
Market House, aka Starbucks. Their windows extend way down here, and there's some candles. And it looks like some tarot cards in a scary book with disembodied hands holding it open. You gotta love the classic skull candle holder. Skullabra. Same thing on the other side, another skullabra, some candles.
Oh, look, the poison apple.
Poison apple, it's like a glittery version.
It's a really sparkly one. Another crow, too.
Crow in the back, and then right down here.
Look.
He's not blinking, he's not blinking.
No, he's stunned.
Look at this book of arachnids in the back. Crazy cover. And back over at Town Square, where the vacant little park, grass patch, park, whatever you want to call it, it patiently awaits the Mickey Pumpkin, as do we. Look.
This is the Disneyland Soul Patch right here.
It's that here. Stand right in front of it.
Blinky Blinky.
So
You're
normally, yeah, he's right there.
Use your imagination to see Winky Blinky in the top of Main Street.
Yep, pretty soon.
This is actually a really good view of all the bunting that went up. This really is a good view to take in Halloween Main Street. Before, your view is obstructed by the Winky Blinky Mickey. So maybe this is a good thing that we're here right now seeing this. So while we were looking up Main Street, this cool window display caught my eye. And I think we're gonna take a closer look. Ooh, it's the little things, really.
Oh,
Doesn't that look cool?
Yeah.
I love it. And then all the bats up on top of it.
Yeah, this whole display has cool stuff. Look how scared Mickey is.
It's like Minnie's thinking like, yeah, you're doing the dishes tonight, buddy.
He's like,
oh no!
Yeah, bunch of ghosts over here. Whoa, there goes the fire truck again.
Good morning!
We love the fire truck. All right, we're gonna go hit the train just because.
We haven't been here in a while.
Hi, you guys. Have fun and then have some more.
Sun's starting to come out.
To the primeval world and the age of the dinosaurs. Here in
Critter Country.
Winnie the Pooh, Tigger,
Looking nice and mellow. Hungry Bear Restaurant. Home of What's Happening Wednesday. Time out perfectly for the lightning blast, usually in the last car.
I love the baby bunny.
dinosaur, Popeye, and his spinach.
Just chewing away.
New Orleans Square. Just jumped off the train, and look at the top of the mansion. We've spotted some jack-o'-lanterns. Jack Skellington has started decorating the mansion.
Yep. Wrecking the halls.
Oh boy.
He's wrecked the halls with lots of stuff. Let's go look, let's see.
All right, let's go around to the front.
Not looking over the wall. We're just gonna look either through or what anybody else could see, because we do not peek over walls here.
All right.
No.
The creepy foliage has creeped in, and the top pumpkins are up on the top of the pillars. Ooh, look at the roof line too. You can also see the big wreath over the front door there. And there he is, Jack Skellington, sitting at the entrance of the mansion, beckoning us, reminding us that just next week we're gonna get to go in and see all his handiwork.
Crazy that that's happening next week. Doesn't that feel like it's really quick?
Oh yeah.
Look at his black Christmas sleigh is up there.
Yep.
The list.
The list coming out of there with everybody's name on it.
It's not the list of Jericho. Only a bonus.
Kind of like the Marty Sklar sign. They add their own sign for Santa Claus, telling you that he's busy decking the halls. And to please join us for a frightfully good time after September 6th. Season Screamings. Fuzzy this year too, look at that. And there is the attraction sign, Haunted Mansion Holiday. It's up. And that classic haunted wreath. Love it. It's almost ready to go here.
Wreck the halls. I got that stuck in my head now.
Yeah.
I can't get it out. This is so awesome.
A little bit of a better view from the front. You can see the candles up on the top of the roof line. Those look so good at night. And of course, the centerpiece, the wreath. We also noticed around New Orleans Square these new wreaths, these very dark, very New Orleans dark in a sense, if that's a style, but kind of an elegant, spooky wreath all over New Orleans Square. There's one over there, lining the pathway here. Looking good. Taking in the view here at New Orleans Square. Nice breeze today. Labor Day weekend, end of summer.
Wandered over to Frontierland, and we are still on Pumpkin Watch 2019, waiting for the Halloween tree to finally take place. And so far, we don't have our little jack-o'-lanterns in the tree, but the lights have been strung. We are almost ready, folks. Back to you in the studio, Spence.
Pioneer Mercantile still holding it down with the, these were the first things we saw. This was the very first sign of Halloween. Still here, still good merch over here. Look at the last of the French fry rocks over there. There's a little bit on the other side too. Let's say goodbye to those. All right, on our way to Toontown. Roger Rabbit. Look, the scrim is still up for the Matterhorn. Still working on that rock that fell. But they got one side still open. Hey, look.
Guess who's back?
Barreld's back.
Back again. Barreld's back.
There he is.
That friend. He's still a little dirty. But it sounds like he's well rested. You doing good, Barreld? Oh, good to know. All right, well, we're gonna hurry to Roger Rabbit's because we made a fast pass and I forgot about it, and we only have 3 minutes to get over there. See you later, Barrel. Totally forgot I booked that fast pass.
For Roger Rabbit?
Yeah,
I know.
I wanted to go on it today, and you know, I was like, oh yeah.
All right, we're trying to get over there.
We have like
almost there. We're at Small World. Yeah.
I know they give you some grace time, but I don't like to cut it this close. I'm like, oh my god.
All right, let's see if we can make it.
We got this. We got this.
Oh, Roger. Thank you. All right, in the garage, the cab garage. Happy cabs, here we go.
Here you go. Buy me a nice beer. one time.
Not turning the wheel today.
My favorite room. So I like this guy right here. Creepy guy. Sorry, I felt when I woke up this morning. Hey, there's Charlie.
Hi, Charlie.
Fireworks.
Thank you, Roger.
All right, thanks, Roger. And you know, pretty soon, that whole area is where Mickey's Runaway Railway is going to be. I'm not sure if it's going to be centered between City Hall and the Five and Dime Gag Factory, but somewhere in that area, that's where we think it's going to go. All right, we came over to Red Rose Tavern. I got a burger, some pommes frites. Katie got chicken sandwich.
Yeah, staying on the diet train, and instead of pommes frites, I got apples.
Oh boy.
It's still good.
All right.
But the chicken sandwich is really good, so I like it. I'm happy with it. I'm not mad at it.
All right.
Happy Saturday, y'all.
All right, that was a good little lunch stop, and now we are cruising through Fantasyland behind the castle here. Crowd's starting to load up. It's getting close to noon. Through the castle we go. Just noticing on the way out, look at these coffins with these hands in them. Like, you've seen those hand displays before for jewelry, but it's a good idea to put them in the coffin.
For the Alex and Annie's.
Yeah.
I like Evil Lumiere's cousin up here.
Yeah.
He's spookalicious.
And then Maleficent in the doorway,
Maybe I'll
beckoning
stand
you.
in here.
She beckons you. Don't do it. Oh boy. Whoa, Cruella. Deville.
Look at all of it.
Oh yeah, the crows have invaded in here. They're all over the place. Are these the ones that show up at like right at dusk and this is where they come?
And then all the Halloween decoration on top. Look at every the whole thing. How long do you think this took?
Yeah, the crows have invaded every inch of this place. And up high there's all sorts of decorations. If you look around the entire perimeter of the store. This guy's about to take off.
He's looking like, okay, all right. Wow, I love this stuff around the wall back here.
I think I found my favorite of the pumpkins, this little guy right here.
Oh, look at his little face. Look at his little bow tie.
Bow tie crow. And there's one with a top hat here.
Look what? Oh my gosh, this one has a little witch's hat on it. That isn't the cutest darn thing.
See how that is? You walk down Main Street thinking that you saw everything and then
Next
nope.
thing you know, and then you just get swallowed into a store
Yeah.
and you find awesome stuff like that.
Yeah, all
like,
the crows. Go in there and see the crows, man. That's
that might
pretty
be
cool.
the best of all the stores. Like, I thought the Candy Palace area, I thought that was the coolest, but then we saw that and that was
Pretty cool.
takes the haunted cake.
All right, made our way to the Esplanade and we noticed Oogie Boogie's arms are complete. The extensions were added on last night and looks like the lighting for the jack-o'-lanterns has been turned on. Looking good, Oogie Boogie, looking good.